How we doing?
All right, buddy. What are you doing?
Walking around. Killed a couple minutes.
There ain't no animals patrol around here.
I know, man. It's looking like a yard sale. I tell you. That's all right. That's cool. No, I don't. No big deal. Actually, I see a couple things I could use.
There you go. That's
I can't go shopping right now.
When I come to these, I try to stay by my truck, or else I go home with more than I want.
Oh man, I'll tell you, I know I could leave with something right now. I see about 3 things already I need to get.